In this video, I'm going to be showing you two smartphone holders. I will tell you their differences, and in the end, you should be able to tell which one will suit your own kind of video content. My name is Korede from Promage Studios, where we teach how to create amazing video content with your smartphone. If you shoot content with your smartphone and you actually use a tripod, a phone holder like this is actually a necessity. In my last video, where I was explaining the most affordable, lightweight tripod, I made mention of phone holders, and today I'm going to be showing you those smartphone holders and why you will choose one over the other. The first one on my list is this particular one here. The reason why I prefer this is because it can suit any size of phone because of this adjustment that it has here. So with this, you can adjust it to your phone size. Apart from that, it makes it very easy for you to shoot both horizontally and vertically. All you need to do is to adjust this thing behind it, and you'll be able to rotate it to either portrait mode or landscape mode. The only downside I found in this is that it's not very easy to remove your phone and put it back like the other one I'm going to be showing you after now. You have to just make some adjustments before you can take your phone out. The second one on my list is this one here. I like this one so much because of the spring that it has here. So if I want to put my phone on it, all I need to do is just to increase the spring here, and my phone gets into it. But the only downside of it is that I can't use this particular one to shoot portrait mode. So if I want to switch my camera to portrait mode on this, that is not possible. So that's even the reason why I had to go and get the second one. This was the one I got earlier on, and it was actually doing the work very well for me. In fact, most of the time I go out with this, except when I know that I'm going to be shooting on a portrait mode. But when I'm not shooting on portrait mode, this is actually the one that I always use because it's easy for me to remove my phone and I put it back. Another reason why I prefer this is because of this horseshoe mount that it has at the top of it. With this place now, I can actually put a video light on it. I can put external mic on it, or any other accessories I want to put, whether a wireless microphone receiver. I can actually place it on top of this place. So that's actually make this one to be the one that I actually prefer most because of all of these things that it has. Both of them are very strong from what I've seen, and they will last the test of time. So who do I recommend this one for? I would recommend this one for anyone that creates a landscape video. If you know that your videos are always landscape like this, and you need to put either a video light or external mic on it, probably you are vlogging and you need mic to be on top of your phone, this will be the best option for you. And you are the type of person that needs this quick putting your phone and removing it quickly without wasting any time, this will actually be the best option for you also. But if you are the type of person that doesn't use external things on your phone, probably you use your phone as it is, there's no need of you placing external mic on it or anything, so the other option will be best for you. And if you are the type of person that always switch between portrait mode and vertical mode some of the time, you will also need to go for the other option. So those are the two smartphone holders that I would recommend. If you are interested in any of them, I will drop a link in the description. So the video you are seeing on your screen now is the one I told you about, the lightweight tripod that I made mention of. And the second one is another one that I would recommend for you. So if you've gotten value from this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Shalom.